Morning, everyone. Hopefully everyone is doing good. Happy. Yep, today's Friday. Almost forgot. How is everyone doing? So, SPY is up 0.5% here. 0.5%. That is solid after yesterday. Right, solid run up. Let's see what we got in store for today. So, this previous support, right? Previous resistance acted as support, acted as support, acted as resistance. We're kind of approaching that level again, right? So we're going to need to break through that 454.6 zone or so, right? Even this resistance here, 454.78. Look yesterday, I didn't even realize where we bounced off of, right? This previous resistance from July 14th acted as a perfect support. Right? We bounced right off of it. My voice is out. Everyone else can hear me, I'm pretty sure, Pete. Right? Everyone can hear me. Oh, that was you. All right. Sweet. So, right, bounced right off that previous resistance. I wish I noticed. I didn't notice. But great reversal, and now we're all the way back up here. So interesting. Sweet. Sounds good. I hate how delayed this is. It's very delayed. It's like 20 seconds delayed. But let's keep it going. It's all good, Pete. It's all good. So Nvidia, gonna watch this at open. It's up 0.9%. We have this previous support, right? This previous resistance acted as a support, bounced off perfectly as well, just like SPY did. But we have this wedge, right? We could definitely continue to break out here and push through. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on this at open. Square as well, right? Kind of, similar to Nvidia. We have this previous resistance, acted as support, kind of acted as resistance. If it breaks out here, want to see it push through 77.1. Oh, there's a whistle. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. That should be better now. Actually, let me fix it even more. All right, there we go. Zoom's instant, which is the solid part. Zoom is instant, which is why I do it on Zoom. So Square, right, looks kind of pretty much the same as Nvidia, right? We kind of have this wedge coiling to the downside here. So looking for a break to the upside. Market's pretty strong this morning. BABA as well, right? We kind of have these higher lows, lower highs. You don't hear any whistle anymore. Awesome. That was just my AC next to me. Right, previous resistance acted as a resistance again, right? Acted as a support. If this can break through, I think we could definitely see a solid push up to, right, this previous resistance, which was a support here. Even the highs here. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on that. So Nvidia, Square, BABA as of now. Just dropped a bit. Let's see, Rivian, right? Rivian started to break out end of day. Actually kind of pulled back a bit, but now it's up 3% here in pre-market. Very, very interesting. Don't really like the setup though anymore. Not really going to look at this. Coin broke down out of this wedge that we were trying to trade, right? I took calls here looking for a breakout. It broke out, pulled back. Classic fake out before breakdown. Right? Can't catch them all, or can't win them all, I should say. But yeah, not really looking at this. Setup's not really anything too special. Microsoft, we kind of have this long extended flag. It's not the best, but we also have this previous resistance, which was a resistance at 351.4. But again, I'll wait for something better than that. I think these setups are much better than that. Meta, right? Meta, huge sell-off from that support that I mentioned. Puts there would have been very, very solid. big breakdown, continuation all the way to the final price target here of 304, right? Broke down below, but now we are reclaiming and we're sitting right at this support here in pre-market. Google, not really going to look at this. No setup here. It's very tough to create setups when we have a big extended move like that. Nothing really there on Apple. Amazon, nothing really. Let's see, Tesla. Right, so Tesla had earnings, big sell-off. We have this previous resistance, which was a support. Kinda, right? We broke through it. We acted as a resistance. We're opening above it as of now. So just need to keep an eye on that 265 level. It's a pretty significant level, right? Resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, and so on. So keep an eye on that level. Let's see what else we got. Netflix, nothing really there. And AMD, nothing really there. So, you know, that's the watch list as of now. IWM created a bear flag, but we're up 0.7% here pre-market. Q's up 0.7%, definitely stronger than SPY. We have this previous support. And, you know, that's really it. That's really it. We have this previous support as well, acted as support. We're just sitting right there now. So, top setups. Keep an eye on SPY at that level, this previous resistance. And then we'll just keep an eye on NVIDIA, Square, and BABA. I think Square has some solid potential, for sure. Disney, nah, I don't really like trading Disney. It's just a terrible moving stock. Right? It's coiling, but it just moves terrible. Today's OPEX. Right. All right, so today's OPEX, that means it's going to be volatile, especially near the close. But my plan is, right, on Fridays, I pretty much just trade the first hour, and then I'm done for the day. Right, towards the middle and the end of the day on Fridays, it doesn't really move much, the market. Doesn't really move much. If a Rivian could break 26.87, would it be interesting? Let's see. Yeah, you know, the 26.89, we have that resistance. So if that breaks, we could definitely see a nice move to the upside. I just like these other setups a little bit better. Can delete this and redo it. Right, so it kind of be like, right, like where do we want to draw it, right? It's kind of a little iffy. Right, I would draw it kind of like that with, you know, a potential support like there. You know, if it breaks through, yeah, you could definitely, whoops, wrong one. You know, you could definitely see a nice move for sure, but I do like the other setups better. So, you know, that's really it. NVIDIA, Square, BABA. Right, look for a trade within the first hour. Hopefully we get some better luck today on our plays. Right, yesterday I went 0-4. It happens. Right, you can't win every day. Not every day's a winner. Still up for the month, right? This is why sizing is extremely important. Because, you know, a few losses can take out your account if you're not sizing correctly. So, not everyone's going to win every single day, no matter how good you are. And that's my watch list. What questions does everyone have? I'll give you guys a few seconds to drop a comment. Hard to read the tickers. You can always just ask me. You can also see here, yeah, it is a little tough, but NVIDIA, Square, BABA. NVIDIA, Square, and BABA. Yeah, try turning up the quality on your end. Rivian's getting very close. Where do I see resistance on SMCI? Let's see what that is. I don't even know what that is. Super microcomputer. Right. Well, the main resistance would be the 329.07, right? And then this level here, right? Resistance, 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 right? Rejected 4 times. It's opening up above that. Looks fine, 1080. So that's, you know, the only resistance, pretty much 306.85, where now it's going to act as a potential support. So yeah, I mean, it shows the name here. It shows the name over here as well. So that's that. That's really all I got for this, for the pre-market watch list. If no one has any more questions, you know, I'll go ahead and get ready for the live trading Zoom. Just got upgraded. I don't really play upgrades like that. Rivian is pushing a little bit here. Rivian is pushing a bit. And if I could drop a like, that'd be sweet. NCAA. You talking about the league? Any setup? NVIDIA is my main watch. This is what I'm watching. Any setup on BID? I kind of have this resistance here. This like coil kind of price action. It's starting to break through. It looks pretty solid. Yeah, it looks pretty solid. Oh, autocorrect? I thought you were talking about like the league. Thoughts on Apple? There's really no setup. You know, it's only up 0.4% as well. Definitely really wouldn't be looking at this today. There's other setups that are available. You know, if it breaks 194.48, then you know, maybe, but still there's really no setup there. Just gonna be watching these NVIDIA Square and Baba. All right, so that's that. That's the pre-market watch list. Very easy to go over. Answered everyone's questions. So gonna hop out of here and set up the Zoom live trading first hour of the day. So happy Friday all. As always, make sure you take profits, make sure you size correctly, make sure that you are not profit trading, right? Meaning just trade for the process. Just trade for the process. So on that note, have a great day. I will see you guys on the Zoom.